Do you want to transform your financial situation in just 90 days? Imagine increasing your monthly income by $2,000 or saving $5,000 within 3 months. It's possible, and we're going to show you how. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide that will change your life. Step 1. Assess and plan. Set clear financial goals. Defining clear financial goals is the cornerstone of your 90-day financial transformation. Start by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. For example, increase monthly income by $2,000 within 90 days, or save $5,000 in 90 days. Breaking down these goals into smaller, weekly milestones will help you track your progress and stay motivated. Every small step brings you closer to your larger financial dreams. Assess current financial situation. Create a detailed list of all your income sources, expenses, debts, and assets. Use financial tracking tools or apps like Mint, YNAB, or Personal Capital to get a comprehensive view of your finances. These tools can help you monitor spending, track progress, and stay on top of your budget. Develop a budget. Creating a realistic budget is key to managing your finances effectively. Start by identifying essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Then look for areas where you can cut back, such as dining out and unnecessary subscriptions. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments using the 50/30/20 rule: 50% for essentials, 30% for discretionary spending, and 20% for savings and investments. Step 2. Skill development and networking. Upgrade skills. In today's digital age, upgrading your skills can open up new income opportunities. Research high-demand skills that can be quickly learned online. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and Khan Academy offer courses in various fields, including coding, digital marketing, and graphic design. Dedicate at least an hour daily to learning and practicing new skills. Network. Building a strong professional network is essential for career growth. Attend industry-specific networking events, both in-person and virtual. Join professional groups on LinkedIn and participate in discussions to expand your network. Reach out to mentors or professionals in your desired field for advice and guidance. Step 3. Launch a side hustle or business. Identify a profitable niche. Conduct market research to find areas with high demand and low competition. Use tools like Google Trends and Keyword Planner. Validate your niche by surveying potential customers or testing small-scale sales. This feedback will help you refine your business idea. Start a side business. Choose a business model that aligns with your skills and market demand. E-commerce. Sell products online through platforms like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, or Shopify. Dropshipping. Sell products without holding inventory. Service-based business. Offer freelance writing, consulting, or other services. Set up a professional online presence with a website, social media profiles, and listings on relevant platforms. Step 4. Optimize and scale. Refine your business strategy. Track your business performance using key metrics such as sales and customer feedback. Adjust your strategy accordingly. Experiment with different marketing tactics and product offerings. Scale up. Invest more time and resources into your most profitable activities. Automate or outsource repetitive tasks to free up your time for growth strategies. Consider hiring freelancers or part-time help to expand your capacity. Step 5. Evaluate and adjust. Evaluate progress. As you approach the end of your 90-day plan, review your financial progress against your goals. Use financial tracking tools to analyze your income, expenses, and savings. Reflect on what worked best and what didn't. Make final adjustments. Implement final tweaks to maximize earnings and minimize expenses. Continue optimizing your business and investment strategies. Stay disciplined by sticking to your budget and avoiding unnecessary spending. Now that you have a detailed 90-day financial transformation plan, it's time to take action. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your financial situation improve dramatically. Share this plan with your friends to help them achieve financial success as well. Thank you for watching. Your support means the world to me, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to share this life-changing information with you. Together, we can achieve financial freedom and build a brighter future. If you enjoyed this video, I recommend watching the 5 best life-changing productivity hacks to unlock your full self.